Every time I travel in the month of Ramadan, I have people that bring their little girls to me saying she's 9 years old. She cannot fast. She's still playing with her dolls. How is Islam expecting her to do the Fajr prayers, to do hijab, to do salat, to do khums, to do zakat, to do hajj, and possibly establish a family and take care of her family and not commit? How is this possible? So people are asking legitimate questions, and if we act like they don't exist and we ignore them, then I believe we are doing a great disservice to Islam. We're doing a great disservice to this minbar. This minbar is meant to stimulate the minds of the people. This minbar is meant to remain attractive, relevant, to solve the problems of the people. You come and you listen to a lecture and you feel inspired. You feel that you have some solutions given to you from the Quran, given to you from the Nahj al-Balagha and the words of Ahl al-Bayt.